Okay, welcome back to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And today's video, it's another news and podcast installment. And today we're going to be taking a look at ARISS, amateur radio on the International Space Station. That's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for watching. There's space hobbyists and there's amateur radio hobbyists, and this is an opportunity to combine both hobbies. ARISS, amateur radio aboard the International Space Station, is a big organization. Their website is ariss.org. You can look them up, give them a search. Lots of literature. You can work amateur radio through the International Space Station aboard the repeater and simplex, and you could even speak to astronauts. But I wanted to get this news and podcast out as quickly as I can because there's a special event coming up tomorrow. There it is, February 22nd through the 24th, 2024. 40th anniversary conference celebrating the positive impact of amateur radio on human space flight. There's the International Space Station. This event is to celebrate a 40-year anniversary. 40 years ago, astronaut Owen Garriott, call sign W5LFL, he pioneered amateur radio communications from space on his historic STS-9 flight on the Space Shuttle Columbia, which was launched November 28, 1983. Owen conducted international science investigations as part of his Spacelab 1 mission, and during his free time, Owen became the first ever person from space to communicate with amateur radio operators on the ground. He was also first to be heard directly from space by the public using simple receiver and astronauts and scanners. So with that said, the 40th anniversary special event is going to be conducted at the Space Center, Education Center, adjacent to the NASA Kennedy Center, Florida, February 22nd through the 24th. And there's some graphics of the space shuttle. So if you're in the Florida area, you'll be able to attend. Celebrations include many different events. Entrance to the NASA Kennedy Space Center Visitor Center on February 22nd. In the evening, there's going to be a networking reception in the exhibit area, also on February 22nd, to celebrate the 40th anniversary of amateur radio on human spaceflight. And that's just a sample of what the ARISS guys do. That's a video clip of the recent Hamcation, also in Florida, in Orlando, Florida. In addition, at the end, there'll be a 40th anniversary gala. I'm not going to say gala. Gala, it's fancy, dinner, under the Apollo Saturn V rocket. That's February 23rd in the evening. That sounds like a lot of fun. And then it wraps up with a ARISS International Delegates meeting by invitation only. So if you're in the area, stop by the NASA Space Center for such a historic event, the 40th anniversary of the first communication between astronaut and amateur radio operators on the ground. So wanted to get that out there. If you're in the area, report back. If you attended, comment below, tell us all about it. And there it is, the 40th anniversary conference for ARISS. Like and subscribe for future videos, and thanks for watching, everyone. 7-3.